Want to listen to Spotify on a plane or just save your mobile data? You need to download your music, but there's a right way to do it so you don't lose your songs. Here's the fastest way to download music on iPhone, Android, or PC. The playlist method. First, open your library. The best trick is to create a dedicated offline playlist. Tap the plus icon on the bottom right, hit playlist, and let's name it Offline Jams. Hit done. Now go find any song you want, like this one here. Tap the three dots and select add to playlist, and throw it on Offline Jams folder, and hit done, and do this for as many songs as you want. Once you're ready, go back to your library and open the playlist. You'll see this little down arrow icon. Tap that and immediately start downloading everything in this folder. You do need Spotify Premium for this feature to work. If you don't see the arrow, that's why. Now, how do you find them when you have no signal? Go to your library and swipe the top filters over until you see downloaded. Tap that and Spotify will only show you the music that is safe to play without data. Ever wonder how to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription? Check this video out now.